Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see date related functions. So now in this video, we will see the interval concept. So first of all, let's understand what is an interval. It's a represent as a time duration in SQL. So you can have any time duration in a year, month, week, days, hour, seconds, and you can able to specify in minutes as well. So what is that? Let's see the example. So you have a you want to just see the interval of 1 year. So what is the syntax? Select interval and specify the 1 year, right? So yeah, just you can run the query, we will get 1 year. So now you want to add from the current date, you want to add 1 year. How we can able to do that? So select current. What is the current date? We saw in the previous video, right? Current date plus. So if you use plus, you want to add 1 year. So just if you run the query, so current date plus 1 year, we got the result. So now you have a requirement to add 2 month extra. So 1 year, 2 month you want to add to the current date. So we have added. So as per our requirement, we have solved this issue. So let's see the real-time example. So we have a employee table. So employee table, let's run the query. So we have a hiring date. So we have a requirement to add 1 year to the hiring date. That's a requirement. So we need to add hiring date plus we are doing the operation, and what is that thing we need to interval, right? So interval we need to add 1 year, right? Okay, so yeah, if you run the query, we got the result. In the last column you will see that result, right? So it has been added 1 year. So now we have a requirement to add 1 year, 2 month. So we can able to do multiple values. We can able to give in this interval. We can able to give year, month, week, hour, minutes, days. We can able to specify. So let's see the all the example. I want to add 1 year, 1 month, 1 week, and 1 day, and I want to add 1 hour, and I want to add 1 minute, and 1 second. I want to add. So we can able to give any value. So just for your understanding, I'm giving the all the values in single go in interval. So if you run the query, we got the result. See, if you see that it will be added 1 year with hiring date with 1 minute and 1 month, 1 week, 1 week. All this value has been added. So that's a usage. If you want to reduce that, same. If you want to less than, if you want to minus that value, so then hiring date minus interval and specify the value, so it will be minus from the hiring date. This is the usage of interval. So let's go to the today challenge. We have a hiring date. Now you will add 2 year, 2 month, 2 week, 2 day, and show me the result in the you can write the query in the comment box and try to find that solution. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.